Hello guys, here I'm gonna show you how to change the app icon. Here's my icon, MobDevSs, and here's my code. And you can see in an emulator my app icon look like this. And we have to go to the root directory and inside the app, inside the source resources, you have to click on a drawable and you have to click on right click and then select image assets. Here you can give the part of your image. You can see I already made the project here, and then you have to click on next. Your app icon will change here. You can see the red error kind message. You can ignore it the first case and click on the next and then finish. Your app icon will not change because of the errors. You can see this not reflect here. Now I'm gonna change it again. That will recreate or replace cache images. Now again I have select again same image. This time my image will showing. You can see. Now I will run my app. It will take some time because of the Gradle running. Now my app is installing. Now you can go to the home and see my icon is changed. Thank you for watching.